Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Join me today as I create this beauty on my fussy hair. And then guess what? This is going to be on my old protective style. Yes. And if you know me, you know that I am always in protective styles. And if you're wondering how I achieved this, you should stick to the end because this was so easy. So guys, I got this wig from Elfinhair. Yes. And then unbox with me. I'm gonna be showing you all everything that came with this hair. And then guys, trust me, I was amazed. This wig came with a hair bonnet. Yes, this is the hair bonnet. Then it came with this headband. Then this styler comb that has a comb and also a brush. Then a wig cap. Guys, this wig cap is of high quality. It's not like the one that I knew of. And then guys, the instruction booklet. Then guys, lastly, the wig itself. Guys, this is Burmese coily half wig, and then this is an invisible half wig that comes in 22 inches, 250 density. Don't worry, you're going to see it for yourself. Immediately I took out this wig, I was really amazed because as I was even touching it, it is soft. Like, it is so soft. And this is 100% human hair. Like, they didn't lie about it because this hair is so soft. I'll say they did a good job in the packaging of this wig. Like, the protection was just top notch. It came with this foam and also pins to protect the front line. I mean, the invisible front line of the hair, which is actually amazing. That's good. Can you see? Yes, this is the invisible part of the wig. And then it also came with this adjuster. Yes, this is where you can make the wig tight or loosed. Guys, the quality of this wig is something else. It is so full. They really didn't lie about anything because this hair is so good. So let's move into how I installed this. I'll be making use of this part of my hair only, but then this is how the back will remain. So my front hair is braided already, so I'll just go ahead to lose this part. And then if you're doing this, make sure to spray water. You know how we do it here now when we're taking down our protective style. So guys, this is what my fussy hair looks like. So beautiful. Yep, my hair is fussy hair. Yes. So guys, I will be working with a side part. That is what I want. And this is it. Mind you, I'm not even using a mirror. Yes, this is what it is. I'll just go ahead to twist up this part of my hair, and then I'll also do the same for the other side of my hair. Guys, you know, I told you that this wig is going to be on a protective style, so I'll have to either twist or braid. I decided to twist that part of my hair, so it's still a protective style. Yeah, it is. So like I said, I will do the same for the other side of my hair. And guys, if you're looking for the simplest wigs to put on, go for glueless wigs. Yes, this is a glueless invisible half wig. Go for glueless wigs. Like, they are so simple to put on. Very simple. Like I told you from the beginning, this is like the simplest wig you can wear on your old protective styles. Yes, I am a promoter of hair growth in protective styles. So yes, I will promote that you get wigs for yourself if you want to really grow out your hair in protective styles. So guys, yes, I will go ahead to pack my hair up. Yes, as you can see, this is just to keep my hair in place. Yep, you have to pack up the back. So right now I will be applying a little bit of gel. Yes, and guys, this gel has aloe vera in it. It is not harmful to my fussy hair. Not at all. You know that I will never ever use something that will harm my hair. So, guys, after this application, I'll just cover up my hair for about 10 minutes with this satin scarf, and then, guys, this is the result. Yep, 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 yep. Yep, yep, yeah, yeah. Looking beautiful, right? So right now I'll go ahead to wear my wig cap. Guys, like I was saying earlier, the quality of this wig cap is not like the one I know here. This is really, really of high quality. Yes, it is so good. It is good, sincerely. Like the one I know of here is really, really light and can really tear off immediately. It tears off easily. So this is good, sincerely. So now it's time to put on a wig. And guys, I really thought I was going to struggle at this point, but then just watch and see. So I'll just go ahead to start clipping this up. Do not forget that this is a half wig that came with clips. Yes, they have clips. Like it has clips by the sides, by the at the back, and also at the front. Guys, this is me just still making sure that the clip is holding my hair up properly. Yes, guys, this is it. And that is it. I mean, that is all. Like in 5 minutes, you can just put this on and go your way. And guys, I was really, really impressed with this wig. This is so beautiful. This is amazing. This is one wig I've gotten, and I know that I didn't regret. Like this is really beautiful. Can you see that melanin puppet? Melanin puppet, melanin beauty. Looking so good. I love it. Don't you love it? Don't you love it? It's giving all that black girl beautiful vibe. Yeah, I really love this. Great job. Good job to Elfin Hair. This is really, really beautiful. So if you want this, the link to every information will be in the description box. Just go there and you're going to see everything. If you have questions on this, please do well to ask me in the comment section. I am here to respond to every question that you will be asking. Tell me what you think about this wig. Tell me if you would want to get this. To all my girlies that love coils, you can get this. I assure you, they do not disappoint. This is top notch. Yep, these are some of the pictures I took, and as you can see, they look so good. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Stay tuned for more of this on this channel. This is Jessica Curry, the hair growth queen and everything hair. Thank you guys. Bye.